Hello, I have with me Kent CamEye CarCam 2, the next generation vehicle camera for your fleet. It's very easy to install on your own and can be installed within minutes. The Kent CamEye CarCam 2 box comes with Kent CamEye CarCam 2, car charger, windshield mount, SIM ejector pin, pry tool, nut, Type-C charging cable and cable clips. The inside camera features a Wi-Fi button, SIM and SD card slot, Bluetooth button, mic, park button, PIR sensor and OLED display. The outside camera includes screen button, power button, a Type-C USB connector port and 2-pin header port. The bottom side has a SOS button and a temperature sensor. Now let me show you how to install the CarCam 2 into your vehicle. Simply peel off the protective film from the adhesive side of windshield mount. Next, place the windshield mount just below the rear view mirror in the center of the windshield. Press the windshield mount tightly and push the locking lever up. Unfasten the nut on the CamEye CarCam 2. Push the CamEye CarCam 2 up until the ball of windshield mount snap fits inside the mounting bracket. Adjust the CamEye CarCam 2 so that it's perpendicular to the dashboard and suitably captures the inside view of the car. Then tighten the nut fully to secure CarCam 2. Run the USB cable from CamEye CarCam 2 and tuck it above the lip of windshield headliner and along the A-pillar. Use the pry tool to lift the edges of the trim and tuck it away in the seams as shown in the following steps. Connect the Type-C end of the USB cable to the Type-C USB slot of CamEye CarCam 2. Connect the cable's USB end to the car charger. Next, plug in the car charger in the 12-volt car socket. The installation is now complete. Download the Kent CamEye app from Google Play Store or Apple App Store and complete the app installation process. There are two modes for onboarding the CarCam 2. First option is to select 4G and use the company-provided M2M SIM card or your own SIM card. Second option is to select Wi-Fi to connect CarCam 2 with your mobile phone's hotspot. Now you can easily see the cabin and the outside view from your phone or the fleet portal from anywhere. A hard wiring kit and a protective enclosure can also be purchased optionally. So bring Kent CamEye CarCam 2, the most advanced vehicle camera for your fleet.